Question 8. Which correctly compares the mean and the median of the set of data shown? It's a frequency chart. So the frequency 2 means that 60 would appear twice. The frequency 4 means that 75 would appear 4 times. The frequency of 1 means only 1 time for 80 and 3 times for 90. And then what I did was I went to my stat menu, edit, and I entered the data already. Now to make my calculations, I'm going to go to stat calc, 1var stats. I'm going to choose list 1 where my data is found. And then I can get the mean by having, or the average, 77 with x with the bar on top. Scroll down to get the median, which is MED, which is a 75. The mean is 2 more than the median. Another way of saying that is that the mean exceeds the median by 2, choice 2. In question 9, we're asked about the temperatures from January 3rd to January 7th in Buffalo. They were recorded as 5 degrees on one day, 7 degrees the next day, 6 degrees the next day, 5 degrees the next day, and 7 degrees that other day. Which statement would represent the temperatures as true? So we're going to go ahead and find the mean, the median, and the mode. The mean and the median can be found on the stat menu of the calculator. The mode is by looking at which of these occurred the most. 5 was mentioned twice, as was 7. So the mode would be both 5 and 7. And we're going to enter this data, stat, edit, clear out list 1, enter the data. 5, 7, 6, 5, and 7. And go to stat and go to calc, 1var stats, list 1. The x with the bar on top is a 6. That means that the mean is 6. And the median can be found by scrolling down. MED is 6. The mean is equal to the median. That's choice 1. That's the true statement. And the last question for this classwork was number 10. Carlile was in charge of collecting contributions for a food bank. He received the contributions of $10, $90, $40, $30, and $10. The next potential contributor wants to give the amount in line with the other contributors. So he asked, what is an acceptable amount to give? If Charlie uses the mean or the average as the answer, what would be an appropriate amount? So we want to find out the average of those amounts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 people. We can find the average by adding up the sum of those 5 people and dividing by 5. This would be 100, 140, 170, 180. Divide that by the 5 donors to get an idea of the average. You also could do this on the stat menu. 36. On average, they're giving $36. And yes, there are some that are giving less, and there's some that are giving more, but we're looking for the mean or the average here.